In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Samsung tablet language. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to change the display language of your Samsung tablet at any point. You can change it for the entirety of the tablet or change it for individual applications, and this will work regardless of the model of tablet that you have. So all that you have to do is access these settings. Inside of the settings, go over to the General Management category. As you can see, you will be able to find language and keyboard. So I'm going to teach you how to change the language for the entirety of the device and applications, but you can change the input language for your Samsung keyboard as well if you would like to. So if you go over to language, you will see the current language that is set as default and any other ones that you might have downloaded. So there will be this check mark next to the default language, and the default one is the language that will be used primarily. If an app cannot use this language, then it is going to go down the list and use any other ones that you have selected. So if you click or tap the plus sign here, you will now be able to download new ones. Downloading these is very quick. You can just choose any of the language packs available in here. You can use the search function, and once you find one that you want to use, tap on it. It will now appear on the list. So the default one will always be at the top, and of course you can change the order. So whenever you make one a new default, it will go to the top, and like I mentioned, an app will always try to use the default language. If it is not supported by that application, the next language in the list will be used. So you can essentially order it according to your preferences. You can have multiple languages in here, and the default one will be used to determine the language of every single application and every single default menu on your Samsung tablet. This will work regardless of the model, and most languages should be supported, so just choose them from the list. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung tablet language. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.